Hey guys, guess where I'm vlogging from?
My bad. Wow.
I just cracked my neck in like 5 different places. So, you guys know of those faces that girls always make in their pictures? It used to be the fishy face where they go, "Oh my gosh, I'm so pretty. I mean, I look like a fish." And you know how they did the whole duck face? Well, they still do that. They chuck up doofus and they're like... And then they like bend over like an old grandma and they're like... Well, I decided to create a new one. It's called the I'm just about to be murdered with a chainsaw face.
Don't I look so cool, guys?
Alright. Yeah. So that is the I'm just about to be murdered with a chainsaw face. So yeah, it's a really fun face to make. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, thanks so much. Bye. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Random time
1, 2, 3, 4,
with
1, 2, 3, 4. Is that a yellow squash?
Unicorns.